stream, and then we'll get background music. Tip of the diamond, yeah. Tip of the diamond, tip of the spear. My tips get hot whenever she's here. Code with more animated actions. Yeah, exactly. Type extravagantly. Yeah. I'm like, what the fuck? What are you talking about? What do you mean inactivity? Like, I don't know if I have to like click on the actual app once every 20 minutes or what the deal is. I don't know. Okay, there we go. Weird AI moderation, what you say, and people engagement based on that. Maybe that's what it is. So maybe I'm not like chatting to the chat actively enough. I don't know, I'll probably just stop streaming on TikTok. When I started posting about this new game, I got like there was a couple posts that did okay on TikTok, so I figured, oh, maybe I'll, wouldn't hurt to stream on TikTok as well, but yeah, get shafted. Okay, I'm also like addicted to this nose spray shit now. It's like I've been using it for like 2 months, and now every couple hours my nose starts to like fucking tighten up. So I gotta go grab him a spray. I'm gonna get a nose spray and a diet soda. I'll be right back. Give me 2 seconds. love you, sweetie. I'll see you in a little bit, okay?
Why would that money going for an hour?
I don't know. Okay, I actually gotta take a dump. Take a couple more minutes here, sorry. I got distracted by Sadie. BRB. We'll go here. Check. All right. Sorry about that. We're back. I just realized I have the wrong audio sources going, so you're just in the... Didn't even have the background tunes there. Whoopsie daisy. Top deck and rack. Yeah, that was a log. That was a log there. Holy shit, should have taken a photo of that one. No wonder I was getting squirmy. Jesus Christ. That's a good question. I'm not sure, but if it did, they would have been impressed by that one, I tell you. Okay, what are we doing here? We are... You guys seeing that? Yeah. Close this now. Middle of a refactor here. Eye contact while yeah. Yeah. You're sick. Bunch of sickos. Bunch of freaks in this chat. Okay. Right. I am just in the middle of refactoring this whole code base, essentially. One thing led to another, and now we're kind of just right in the thick of it. But it's going to be good. It's a good refactor. It's just a lot of work. So I'm kind of just slowly building it back up to get to where it needs to be. So let's see. Let me recompile. Where are we at here? Okay, so we need to get the sprite in there that fades in and zooms in. I think I just made a new type. I did. Fading sprite. So those are all of our effects. Lerp. What was the other type I made? Moving rect. Right, okay, so let's go here. We'll go called it fading sprite. Then our states updating text and sprite. Okay, so then when we're in this, so that's all our rectangle shit. That's all our text writing shit. We'll go void init sprite. And what we'll do is we'll say, so it's sprite dot alpha lerp dot init, and alpha is going to start at 0, go to 255. And that's that, right? And then it also has a scale lerp. So we'll init that from 0.5 to 1. And then we're going to want the duration. What was the other? Oh, yeah, and then a texture as well. Oh, right. So what I'm going to do, I got to go back to enemy.h, and we'll go const texture 2D pointer, and this will just be called text. Excuse me. So the crab texture will be resources. Whoops. dot crab. Oh yeah, but that's the thing. Do I want actually a full texture for this? Or do I just want, I think I just want a rectangle now that I think about it. Because I think when the thing zooms in, it'll just be the first frame of the animation. was it a skill issue? I'm not sure. So on one, I have kind of two branches going on right now. One is like before I started this whole refactor, just in case I break something beyond repair and I have to revert back. When I go to the one that was before the refactor and I compile it and run the game, I don't know why it doesn't seem like the inputs are picking up the left stick direction very well. And when I compile the new version, it seems to work. So I don't know what the deal is. One that coiled in the shape of a 2, hell yeah. Did they rate it too? I hope so. Okay, I'm just thinking because I don't actually need the whole texture for this. I just need the first frame. So maybe instead of this, we'll make a rectangle. The rectangle will just be the source rect. So what we'll do then is let's see. I made this animation player class. Does it have a like get current frame? It doesn't at this point. So let's do animation player. So source, here we go. Current animation dot frames frame index. Okay, so what we'll do actually is we'll do this. We'll go don't necessarily want it to be a const, so it'll be a rectangle. May as well be a reference. Get current frame. I think. And what we'll do is we'll say return current animation, oops, frames, frame index. That ought to do that. Const value drops, all right. Drops const qualifier. Oops. Binding reference of type rectangle to value of type const value type. Right. So, because I'm going to want to manipulate that unless... Maybe we just return a copy. We'll go const here. Because rectangle is just 4 floats, so it should be cheap to just get a copy, I think. Okay, so that means in battle, we actually got to set up the animation player before we do this part. So we'll go here. Oh, no, that's right. Animation, whoops, animation player.h. And then we'll have call it anim player. Must explicitly initialize member anim player, which does not have default constructor. I thought I did give it defaults. No, I didn't, because I wanted to force the animation data in there. Okay, so what we'll do, oops, in the constructor here, we'll go track, HP, da, 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 da. Okay, so we got enemy. I want to do this in the same order. Enemy HP should come first. Enemy HP track and then end transition. That's good. And then we'll throw animation player before track. We'll put animation player here. So anim player. And then the animations we're going to need will be enemy. Oops. Boom, boom. Animations. Okay, so we got an error. No matching constructor for animation player. Let's see here. So it takes a span of const animation data. Enemies animations is a span of const animation data. So that should be okay. No matching constructor, candidate constructor, not viable, no known conversion from const standard span animation data. Interesting. Do I need to just explicitly do this? Functional style cast, no. Oh, it's because I'm not putting the frame duration in there. I think that's what it is. Put seconds per beat as the frame duration for now. There we go. That's it. It's just forgetting that argument. Okay. Cool. Okay, so now we have our animation player loaded with the proper animation frames. And our current, do we have a default current frame? Yeah, frame index. Let me check out the constructor here. So anims gets loaded. Current animation does not get set though, does it? Here we go. Set anim. So we give it the name of the animation. Okay. And I think every animation is going to have one called default. So what we'll do is in this constructor here, we will set, we'll go here, current animation will be anims, or, oh no, I can't call set in there. That's fine. We can go, whoops, we'll put it in the actual constructor body here. So then we'll go current animation equals set anim default. Oh, I don't have to do that. I can just go set anim default. Okay. So now we should have our animation player set. So then when we want to zoom in the sprite at the start. What was that function called? Init sprite. Sprite.rect equals, and then it's going to be anim player dot get current frame. Actually, hold on a second. This might all be stupid. Let me check out animation player draw. I might be able to just do this right in the animation player's draw. Yeah, you know what? I think I'll do that. I'm going to leave a note. You know what? We're actually going to leave it there. I didn't sleep great last night, and I had meetings all morning, and I'm just not, the old brain's not firing at 100% right now. It's Friday. It's kind of a long week. Proggy, what's happening? Get the game mechanic. At least it's better with the new version. Yeah, exactly. At least it's better with the second one. I'm just gonna leave myself a to-do here. I'm just gonna go to-do, and we're gonna go so just use animation player, whoops, animation player dot draw for scaling sprite. Scaling and fading sprite. All right, because I need a little brain break here. So we'll leave it there for today, guys. Thank you very much for a good week. We'll do commit. We'll just say working on sprite for new battle. That was a good week of streams. Did we get all of? No, we missed Tuesday night because we had the girl's birthday party. But other than that, it was a good week of streams. We're working on new songs. They're coming along. Getting progress done on the game. It's all fucking good. Booze Wash, what's happening? Proggy, what's up? Sorry, we're just about to peace out. We're just going to leave it there for the day. Auntie Ladane, Knights and E, Kestelos, Booze Wash, Proggy, Freezing, Kestelos. Anybody I'm missing? Amy's Mood, thanks for popping in there for a bit. I appreciate that. Gerda, everybody, thank you very much. Phoenix, hell yeah. Yeah, Sadie's birthday. So we're gonna go hang with the fam. I'm gonna go shut my eyes for a second, and then we'll come back. Thank you very much, everybody. Let's find somebody to raid here. Who do we got online? White Vault is on. I like White Vault. Sean, you know what? Let's read Sean. Hell yeah. Thank you. Everybody have a good weekend. We'll be back Monday morning or Monday noon my time. I believe that's 2 p.m. Eastern. Starting with banjo practice. We'll move on to 2 other new songs from the new album. We'll do 2 per week for the next couple of weeks. And then I'm doing that one show here in early July. So when it gets closer to that, we'll start ripping through the regular set list for the banjo practice portion. Thank you very much, everybody. We're going to raid Sean. Everyone have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.